Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make beef bone soup, only way. Roast marrow and knuckle bones until well browned, then transfer to a large pot. Cover with cold water, add a splash of apple cider vinegar, and bring to a low simmer. Skim foam during the first hour, then add onions, carrots, celery, and herbs. Keep a gentle simmer for 8 to 12 hours for a rich, gelatinous broth. Once your long simmer is done, strain the broth through a fine sieve or cheesecloth into a clean container to remove bones and vegetables. Cool the stock quickly in an ice bath or shallow pans to keep it safe. Refrigerate until the fat rises and solidifies, then skim the fat and reserve it for sautés or roasting. Store broth in jars for up to 5 days or freeze in portions for convenience. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and tap like to support the channel and more kitchen tips. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth can honestly change how you think about money, and I love keeping it by my cookbook shelf like financial seasoning. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a copy, and now let's get back to the video. When you're ready to serve, heat gently and season with salt and pepper at the end to avoid oversalting. Add noodles, vegetables, or shredded beef for a hearty meal, or sip the broth straight as a restorative drink. Reheat leftovers slowly to keep the gelatin intact and the broth silky. Freeze portions in ice cube trays for easy flavor boosts in sauces and soups later on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.